Sometimes when you're working on a document, either for a particular project or together with a team, it's important to know what the state or status of a document is. In Lucidchart, you can actually assign a status to your documents, so you and others can quickly see the current state of the document. Note, you will need at least edit access to a document in order to assign or change the status of that document. However, users with any level of access will always see the current status here on the document tile. To assign a status to a document, simply click in the bottom right corner of any document tile on the ... More button and select Assign Status. You'll be able to choose from several default selections that Lucidchart has provided to all users. If your company has an enterprise-level subscription, you may notice color and more customized status options for your documents. You can change a document status the exact same way. Just note that Assign Status becomes Edit Status when a document currently has a status assigned. When using document status, you might prefer to view your documents in List View, which can make the document status even more visible. Just select List View from the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice that Status is one of the columns that appears by default in this view. You can select and edit status directly from the Status column in List View. You can also filter based on the status of your documents by clicking the Advanced Search feature, selecting the status of documents you want to review, and then clicking Search. Additionally, you can also update the status while editing your document. From the open document, you'll notice the status is directly next to the document title in the top left corner of the screen. Just click the status here to toggle on the status drop-down menu and change the status of the document. As with all other changes in Lucidchart, the new status is automatically saved.